You hit
Pier,
it?
where you at?
Alrighty, so we went from Southport all the way to the Garden City Pier, and we're going to go sing some karaoke. And we're gonna take you along with us.
Let's check out the pier, see what they got going on today.
Flip-flops clapping on the boardwalk wood. Cold drinks sipping and it tastes so good. Shoppers buzzing high in the sky. Every day at the beach is like a Friday night. We're beachin' with the boones, living life between the water and the dunes. Waves are crashing to our tunes. Every day's like summer when you're beachin' with the boones.
And apparently it looks like the Kingfisher is back open. Back open for business. For anyone unfamiliar with where the Garden City Pier is, it's right here in the middle of Garden City, right across the street from Sam's Corner.
Which we have a video on that, and they still have the best White Russian.
White Russians.
Yes,
Some of the best White Russians on.
on the Grand Strand. If you can't take the stairs like I can't sometimes because I trip up them instead of down them, there's also a ADA handicap ramp.
It'll take you all the way up. And it looks like a tropical depression. That's why it's so dark. All right, look at this.
Ooh, it's nice and cool in here.
Sure is.
The arcade and ice cream shop.
Yeah,
They also have the bait and tackle shop.
they sure do. And somebody wants to run into you.
I saw that.
Hey, I got them on that.
Hey, y'all.
Hey, it's not true.
Alrighty. And you made it.
All right.
Sorry. Thank you.
So right here, start of the Piers, the karaoke. You can get your Italian ice. Hi. All right, so we're gonna leave the karaoke section, head down here, see if anybody's fishing, take a walk on the pier. Looks like everybody's out here. Even though it's overcast, still nice. And Bunny B, are you gonna come with me?
Yeah, I'll come.
Well, here you go.
Look at that. Are they Pier selling?
It looks like it.
Wow.
Well, that's one of those, it pulls them on the ski.
Okay. We gotta keep an eye on that because, like I've always told you, they pop up just as quick as they go away.
That's right. And look on this side.
Oh yeah.
Just as bad.
We're surrounded.
We're surrounded.
But we have had a long day and it's 80 degrees and
Right
we're
now.
right here in Garden City. So, and the water to me kind of looks choppy coming in. As you can see, there is probably red flags on the beach.
I don't know if they have
Because I'm
lifeguards,
sure
do they?
there are,
Oh, yeah,
yes,
yeah.
they do. There's
Let's
no
see.
flag. Oh yeah, there's a
What's
yellow
that?
flag.
Yellow flag and a red one here. I guess this,
So-
they don't want them to swim too close
Yes.
to the
Pier.
to the pier.
But as you can tell too by the way that is some choppy water. So you just have to be careful for rip tides. And there are warning signs. There is a red flag. You see the red flag and then by the but I wanted to tell them what the yellow and the
What
green.
does it mean?
The yellow flag is to be careful because it is choppy water with it's the undertow in the rip tides.
Mm-hmm.
So
And guess what? You'll get swept out to sea quicker than you can know.
yes. And it was what was it, grabbed by the rip?
Don't be, I can't,
Yeah.
there's a little saying.
Mm-hmm. Swim to the side. Alrighty.
All right, there's a few people fishing. Now this pier is not near as long as the one we went on the other day.
That's
Apache.
right. But it's probably just as old.
Uh-huh.
And it has been repaired many times through
Right,
Hugo
you can
and
see
all that. Yes.
Some of the woodwork here.
Yes.
And there's places that you can clean your fish and see birds eating fish guts.
And the Garden City Pier also has live entertainment throughout the summer at the end of the pier as well. So they have it right back there from like, what is it, 2 to 6, live karaoke.
Karaoke in the back, and then
they
up
have it
here's
right
the
up here.
bands, right?
Yes.
There might be a band setting up, or they might be playing, who knows?
I think the bands out here normally start about 7 or 8 o'clock in the evening.
Or 7 or 8, and right now it's what time?
It is.
I think it's
only
4:30.
Yeah,
Okay.
because you're supposed to be back there singing karaoke. But I think you went on a wild goose chase for your brother.
I see some drums up here too.
I do hear something. All right.
Okay, so we can't play this music. We're gonna have to voice over this portion because they're playing music and we can't get a copyright. But as you can see, they have a band setting up. And people are gathered around with all the chairs to get ready for the band. And all these people around here are fishing.
And the bar sucks.
Bar sucks.
Diet Mountain, ginger ale.
Oh, and now would you say no shark fishing sign?
Yeah, the no shark fishing. So you
Yeah.
can't fish for sharks around there either.
Yay.
Yeah.
And let's see what else.
Here, let me show that you found your brother. And guess who Beatbox ran into? That is his little brother, believe it or not.
Yeah, little
Look
brother.
at there. And Jimbo's got his own store. Jimbo's Gold and Silver. Look at there.
They pay the
So-
most.
Make sure you see
They
them.
pay more than the guy next door.
Look.
Hey, hey, I can't wait until
All right,
hell
gotta
that.
say that again. They pay more than the
We
what?
pay more than the guy next door.
We pay more than the guy next door. You heard it right there. Uh-oh, we might not be doing too much singing. Look at that.
Who sang that?
They get drunk out here.
Well, that's a look at the Garden City Pier right here in Garden City.
That's right. We hope you enjoyed this video as much as we did. If you did, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button and share with all your friends because it's free, free, free. And if you ain't watching us, then I don't know who you watching. And as always, keep beaching. And we'll see you in the next video. And
Right
we're
now.
right here in Garden City. We're
Garden.
right here in Garden City. Did you hit that button?
What button?
Oh,
This
okay.
button?
I thought that's what he was over there for.